Hello friends, my name is Mohammad Mas Khan and I'm working as a project manager in Software Solutions. It's been an incredible journey so far. I started my career as an SQ engineer here, but I quickly realized that I wasn't just interested in finding bugs, but I really want to solve the problems at a much bigger scale, at a much bigger level. So that shift is what I turned myself into the project management field. And honestly, from that day till now, I've never looked out. Well, I personally feel that software solutions help me grow by providing me the responsibilities early. I've never been provided any sort of playbook or been told to follow it, but they have given me the actual responsibilities, actual clients, the real pressure, and most importantly, the belief that I could able to resolve those issues by my own self. So that belief changes you a lot because when the organization starts believing in you before you started believing in your own self, changes the game. And I feel proud on myself that I haven't gone through any sort of training programs, but by the actual experiences that I've gained in my career. Well, honestly, I don't think that much deep. But if I whisper to the day one Mars, I will ask him to be loyal to himself as always. And secondly, I will tell him that keep that fire in his eyes and will to follow the dreams because if you are not having those things, you will be considered as a failure in the eyes of the people as well as by your own self. So keep those things in your mind and just go with the flow. Well, one thing I like most about Softman Solution is the environment that we have created, or I have seen till now, because I have heard from a lot of my friends that they have faced a lot of toxic culture, politics, and backstabbing. So these are the things that doesn't exist here. You just have to be loyal to your work and perform the task with integrity, and that's all. No politics, no games. Well, yeah, I remember the day Sir Bilal called me and said that Mas, I'm giving you a much bigger responsibility. And honestly, at that time, I didn't feel pressure at all, but a belief that the person who leads this company look at my work and ask me that you are ready for more. So that's hit differently. My first thought wasn't that can I do this, but it was that I can't let this person down because he believed in me when no one else did. So from that day till now, I'm trying my very best to provide the best of my abilities. Well, to be very honest, at brutal deadlines, I try to keep me, myself, and team very calm. Secondly, I try that my team doesn't think about the expected results because it could be good, it could be bad. But the only thing that they have to focus at that time is that we are having the time and we can utilize in an effective way of manner. And if we try our best, we can have a positive feedback regarding that situation. Well, outside of work, Mars is someone who loves to play games. It could be cricket, football, table tennis, or PlayStation 5, depending upon my mood. And other than that, on weekends, I try to spend more time with my family. As they used to say कि time नहीं देते हो तो मैं कहता हूँ चलें ये शाम आपके नाम. Well, my advice who wants to join Softman Solution will be that come with this three mindset. Number one, eager to learn. Number two, own your work. And number three, never run from your problems. If you come with this mindset, Softman Solution will welcome you and will do the rest.